Hello everyone! Today, in this video, I'll show you how to jailbreak iOS on Windows. To bypass iCloud activation lock, you need to jailbreak your iOS device first. Step 1. Insert your USB flash drive. Step 2. Download the executable Rufus and run it. Step 3. Click the Select button and find the Ubuntu image you've downloaded. After selecting, click Start. Step 4. Rufus will show a warning that all data on your live USB will be destroyed. Please back up your USB files if necessary, and then click OK. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes when Rufus is creating USB flash drive of Ubuntu. Click Close when the process completes. Step 5. Go to Windows, Restart to restart your computer. Press the F12 shortcut key when the computer is turned on and before the operating system loading. The BIOS control window of your computer will appear. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to select the correct option and then press Enter. Step 6. Select the first option, *Ubuntu, to boot the selected Ubuntu OS. All Ubuntu file system checks are in progress. Step 7. When the booting ends, select Try Ubuntu to start Ubuntu from the flash drive. Now you've entered the Ubuntu system. Step 8. Find the checkra1n jailbreak tool file you've downloaded before. If you haven't downloaded the file before restarting the computer, you can download it now through a browser. To open checkra1n jailbreak tool, you'll need to use Terminal. Open Terminal, enter chmod +X. There's a space before the plus sign and a space after the X, and drag the checkra1n file to the terminal window and press Enter key. Enter sudo. There's a space after sudo, and drag the checkra1n file to the terminal window again, then press the Enter key. Then checkra1n will be running, with the following screen appear. Step 9. Connect your iOS device. checkra1n requires your device to be in recovery mode. Click Next, and checkra1n will help your iOS device enter recovery mode automatically. Click Start and follow the given instructions on checkra1n to put your iOS device into DFU mode. After entering DFU mode successfully, checkra1n will immediately start installing Jailbreak. Click Done when the jailbreaking process completes. Step 10. After successful jailbreaking, quit Ubuntu and restart your computer. Go to the top right corner, click Power, Power Off, Restart. Manually unplug your USB flash from your computer's USB port and then press Enter. After restarting, your computer will automatically enter Windows operating system. So far, your iOS device has been jailbroken. If you need to bypass iCloud activation lock, WooTechy iSalvor is worth trying. Download the software and connect your jailbroken device to the computer. All you need to do is wait for a while. The iCloud activation lock will be bypassed in no time. After bypassing the iCloud activation lock, you can have your own Apple ID account. Okay guys, that's the video for today. If you found this video helpful, please hit it with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below what videos, and let me know what you would like to see in the future. That's it for today guys. Bye!